Reel, upon initial glance, it's simply hot. Has an absolute beautiful finish to it. I really like the gunmetal and green accents. Makes it look really sharp in my opinion. When you place the reel in your hand, it's solid, precise, and has a really tight tolerance. There's absolutely no play and give in this reel at all. The sword reel is equipped with a mid-arbor spool. This is great for reducing line memory while also facilitating quick line pickup off the water. This is a real benefit when finessing big fish on light tippet. Also, this reel here has 150 yards of 20-pound backing and 11-weight line, and there's still ample room on this spool for additional backing if you want to add some more. I mentioned that the sword reel is solid, but it's also extremely lightweight too. It is a precision CNC machine from 6061 T6 aluminum alloy for high impact and durability. You'll also notice the larger CNC hollow design, which makes for a lighter reel compared to other reels in the same size. Personally, I like the extreme hollow body design, makes it look really sharp. The sword reel has a hard anodized treatment, which increases the abrasion resistance and weather fastness. It's also cold forged and tempered, which makes it tough as nails. If I had a nail right now and a board, I'd try to drive my nail with it, but I don't. I've been saving the best part of this reel for last, and that's the drag system. The sword reel comes with a multi-disc cork and stainless steel drag system. The click drag design provides an accurate and repeatable drag setting, and it's very silent whenever you're doing your retrieve, and very smooth. You can't even hear it. Also, I love the drag adjustment knob. It's a little bit bigger than normal and has a knurled edge on it, so it's really easy to grab onto whenever you're fighting big fish, so you can make adjustments quickly with it.
In this video, I'm going to show you how you can change your fly reel from a right hand retrieve to a left hand or vice versa. Obviously this procedure varies depending on the make and model of your reel. In this case I'm using a Max Catch Avid series reel, and a lot of other reels are somewhat similar, but they can vary a little bit. So this comes out of the box with a right hand retrieve, and so I'm going to show you how you can change that. Now the first thing you're going to do is actually turn the reel around, the rather obvious thing that you have to do. Turn this around and tighten it back up, and now you have the handle on the left side. But obviously it's now incorrect. The drag pulls when you should be reeling the line in instead of when the line is being pulled out. So you need to reverse the drag. What you need to do is remove this cap on this side of the reel, and it doesn't come completely off, but you'll need to loosen it completely up. Then you'll be able to pull the spool off the reel. So lay the reel aside. On the spool you'll see a little piece of wire here that's a pentagon in shape, and it has a little break in the wire on the one side, and you just depress that with your fingernail and pull that out, and that comes loose. Just be sure you don't lose that. Now there's a little cylinder in here that needs to come out, and you simply reverse that and put it in the other way. And then you replace the wire. And that's back in there. Now we can put this back on the reel, tighten it back up again, and now the drag is pulling the correct direction, and we can reel freely in this direction.
If you're interested in buying one of these products, links to all the products mentioned in this video are in the description down below. If you like and found this video helpful, don't forget to give a like, comment and subscribe. Thank you for watching.